Today on making sure we understand and are really clear on what division is. That's our goal today. And to do that, we're going to practice solving some different problems. If you want to use these manipulatives here, you're able to. You can just take them and use them to solve, but you don't have to. Okay? What are the numbers that are most important?
48.
48, because that's how many people we have coming.
4.
And 4. Why 4, Goldie?
Because they're
That's okay. So there's 48, and we're putting them into...
Only 4 people could fit.
Yeah, only 4 people can fit in a car, right? And we need to figure out how many cars we need. So let's start with, I want you guys to try this. You can talk together if you need. What do you think we're solving for here? Or I guess, what equation should we use to solve for this? What do you think?
98 divided by, there's 2 cars, right?
There's 4 people that can fit in a car. Yep.
So 48 divided, there's 2, you said there's 2 cars, right?
So we don't know how many cars. So that's what we're trying to find. Yeah. 48 divided by 4, because there's going to be 4 people in each car. Yeah, so we know our total number of people, and we're splitting them into groups. That's my cue in my head to know that that is division, because I have a total number of people, and I'm putting it into groups. I'm putting them into cars in this situation. All right, so I want you to try this. How would you solve this in what you did for us?
So I put 4 circles, and then I counted up in each circle. So like 1, 2, 3, 4 until I got to 48. And then I counted what I had in a circle, and it was 12. And then I just checked my answer.
Okay, how did you check your answer?
I did. So I knew that I had 12 in here, so I just put 4 12s, and then that equaled 48. So.
Okay, so you knew that if you had 48 little dots in your circles that you had done your math correct? Okay. All right, let's see. Really quick on this. Where do we see, and Anthony and Oakland, I want you to help me on this. Where do we see the, let's say, the 4 people in each van?
Like in circles? Yeah.
So normally it's like in the circles, but how many people go in the van?
4.
4. So really, it's interesting, right? So really, where do we see the 4 in this picture?
In the cars.
It's the big circles, right? But really, we're trying to represent 4 people in each car. So we got the answer right, but is this maybe the best representation of what's happening in the story? You're right, and why not?
Because there's not 4 people in each car.
Yeah, there's not 4 people in each car. If I was gonna do 4 people in each car, I would pull out, let's say, 48 tiles. You guys wanna help me make sure we have 48 here? Let's just check. Or let's pull out some here. Maybe yes. But let's start here. So maybe let's count up by 4s until we get to 48. Does that work? Okay, so here's 4 people in one car. We're at 4. There's 4 people in the second car. That's 8. 12. 16.
20.
What comes next, Oakland and Anthony? 20. And then what comes next? 24. We can even just count on by 4s, right? And then here's another 4. 28. There's another 4 in the car. 28. What comes next? Let's do 28.
32?
Yep. 29, 30, 31, 32.
40.
Let's double check. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. We've added 4 more. And then we're going to add another 4. What comes after 36, Oakland and Anthony? What do you think? We added 4 more. 40. Okay, there's 44. And 48. So now do we see the 4 people in each car? Thanks, Goldie. Missed it right there, huh? All right, let's count how many cars there are. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what's our answer? How many cars do we need?
I was just thinking
12
that
cars.
they were thinking like.
I was thinking
I
like
forgot that you had more cars, and I thought that like 10 would not fit. Unless you you have to squeeze in a lot. So
Yeah.
it would work. That is.
Yeah, so is what you're thinking here, Anthony? You're looking and saying, well, in my cars, if my circles represent my cars, it'd be hard to squish 10 people into a car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless that you put them in the trunk, but
Yeah,
that
but
would
that-
not be comfy.
That would not be comfy or very safe either, huh? Yeah. All right. But Anthony, do you want to explain your strategy really quick?
Yeah. Okay, so what I did is that I did 10, 20, 30, 40, that's a 40 right there. And then I did 2 circles, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, and then that would equal 40. But I just remembered in with 12 people to fit, so no.
Yeah. And that's okay. Did we get the right answer using this model?
Yeah, we did,
Yeah.
but we need to do more cards.
Yes. So this strategy will get us the right answer, but it doesn't match the model of our story,
Yeah.
right? All right, so here's the next problem. Okay, we have 72 students in 4th grade. And there is 3 teachers for the 4th grade students. How many students are going to be in each of the 4th grade classes?
So there's 72?
There's 72 students, so how many students are there?
3 classrooms.
72 students, 3 classrooms.
are we not gonna do this at all?
You can solve that however you want, but I want you to write it on your whiteboard.